can't go for that. No can do. I can't go for that. No can do. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that are new, welcome. Come on in. Hey, I got an easy, delicious, another fantastic cocktail I want to share with you all today. I'm going to be making a easy frozen cranberry orange mimosa. It is really crunchy, creamy, sweet. So let's go ahead and get into the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I am going to be using some orange juice, some Simply Cranberry Cocktail Cranberry Juice, and I'm going to be using some Prosecco. And what I did is I took some frozen orange juice and I froze them in some ice trays, and also some cranberry juice. So let's go ahead and get into this easy, fantastic, delicious mimosa. Who loves mimosas? I know I do. Do you love mimosas? Let's get into this recipe.
Pour cranberry juice and orange juice into ice cube trays and freeze. When ready to serve, place juice ice cubes in a blender and pulse until slushy consistency. You can blend both together or separately. For a layered look, blend separately. Spoon the juice slushy into serving glasses. Chilled Prosecco and frozen cranberry and orange juice makes this drink simply irresistible and makes my weekend that much better on a spring and summer day. I hope you enjoy this delicious, refreshing frozen cranberry orange mimosa. Now top with chilled Prosecco, filling each glass to the top. I'm telling you, you and your family and friends are going to enjoy this frozen cranberry orange mimosa. It's perfect for any celebration or any get-together. I hope you enjoy. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and watching. Cheers to you. Have a blessed and happy and safe spring and summer.
That concludes my frozen cranberry orange mimosa. If you haven't already hit that like and that subscribe, please hit it now. I hope you have a blessed, happy summer. Happy holidays. Bye.